The funniest plumbing story that I can remember is an experience with another plumber, and we were actually at a job cleaning a drain line, and this drain line was underneath a table at a restaurant, and as he climbed underneath, he was feeding the snake down the drain line, and he got the snake caught up in his hair as he was feeding it down, so it started to pull the hair out of the top of his head. Anyways, we had a pretty good laugh about that for quite a while after that experience, but that's one of the funniest experiences I've had.